guys, okay, we are going thrifting for the first time. Hi!
I'm Sam. I'm Helen.
And yeah, we're at Value Village. You guys should show your outfits after, because they dress real nice. There's little marks, 6 feet apart, y'all.
Oh, this is the chair I have. I spent like...
Actually?
Oh my god.
She's so funny.
I got $100 on it.
Honey, are you sure it's the exact same one?
How is it? What's
They have really good furniture stuff.
Oh.
Even like mirrors.
Are we allowed to go in here?
Yeah.
I've never been over here. Look at that chest. Wow.
Bro, it looks fancy old.
Oh my gosh. What? I think you were...
It's kind of cool. No, wait, look.
I think paper. Is that like...
Whoa! How much? Guess the price and I'll buy it for you.
$15. 30.
Y'all so off. Why is it so expensive?
Hey, yours missing a decimal. 15.
I like it.
Tell me why that is like that much.
Yeah.
That's like $45. I could probably polish it and stuff, but it looks kind of like...
I like this chair. I think it's cute. And look at this. It's cute. I had one of those. Ooh, hamper. I need a hamper for college. I haven't been to this one in so long.
I've only been to the...
I like this one. It's really clean. I want to look through everything.
It feels clean. Yeah.
There's a lot of people.
I always start at the keychains, like right there.
Bro, we're gonna go around the entire store. I never look at like jewelry or shoes. Oh, look, they dress so nice. And I'm wearing literally like brandy. Go, go, go. Hype it up. No, like tell me where your stuff is from. She's just spinning.
Okay, I thrifted this, and then I thrifted this.
She thrifted everything. Aww.
This I thrifted, and then I thrifted these. These were jeans, and I cut them.
Did you do the pinch?
No, this was they were like.
Really?
I got this at this like really old thrift store in like Mountain Home, Idaho. It's like a tiny town. But they're, like,
Ooh.
big jeans, and I just cut them off.
I love it.
I like your outfits.
I know. I like your ones. Ooh.
We have like kind of 3 different vibes.
Sorry.
I got this really funny like car little keychain, and I would like drive around, but I stepped on
That's
it.
kind of cute.
Well, look at pressed flowers.
Oh, I want to learn how to make flower like jewelry, like with resin or whatever it's called.
Yeah, like with the plastic.
Yeah.
Look at this.
Oh, these are classic. Okay, we're thinking about. Oh,
How pretty this
look
is.
how blurry this is. Wait, it's focusing.
Is that auto?
Yeah, but it's just really slow. We're thinking about getting booked because.
like
Hi guys, we're thrifting for the first time since the stores have opened because of quarantine.
Yeah.
And so come with us and then we'll show you a haul after. Okay. So we're co-workers and sometimes it gets really boring. So we were like, we should get books to read.
And we can go on our phones, so I think this is like a perfect option. He got in trouble today.
No,
He was there too. He told her to get off her phone.
I just like how these look.
I know, right?
Oh wait, they have like a bunch.
Ooh, what's in here?
Wait, look at these. They're cool old-fashioned one. I like, what's this?
The spring of the day. Macbeth.
Oh, this one's cool.
Shakespeare. Look how pretty. To Kill a Mockingbird. I never read that.
I'm gonna make myself read this.
So boring.
I'll read it before bed.
Read the like, what is it about?
It's literally, it's
1,100 pages.
I haven't read a book more than like 500.
Oh my God, you haven't read
the
this?
Greeks and the Persians. I don't know what's that. The career.
Crash Course. I know. You have to like watch it and have fun.
You haven't read this?
I read it.
You read it?
Look
at this.
It's only $3, and then you open it and it has
It's so cute.
customize it. You can put like fabric,
Oh.
so if it's like the utensils and stuff.
So
Your brain just automatically goes like, you can customize it.
See, I used to only thrift for clothes, and they're showing me onto clothes. I feel like I'm gonna end up just buying the same stuff I always buy. Yeah, it's not okay. Sam, I was on Depop for like 5 hours last. Not okay.
That's the reason why my schedule is.
Yeah, it was really bad. Some of the stuff is really cheap if you find like the right stuff.
I saw this TikTok. It was like a shirt on Depop, like $40, and they were like, if I had $40, I would not be on Depop.
Yeah. Okay, Helen, starting a trend.
Like, it's
I
like
like it.
pajama
It's a pajama top, but
Yeah,
it's so
top.
cute. And I found it's so warm. I'm just
it's like Toy Story vibe.
low key, just really cool.
Sleep over. Oh, this top.
Oh, Sam wears these really cute like blouse
Nice
tops. I want to try that. I feel like it doesn't look good on me because I don't have boobs on.
No, I don't. No, it looks better when you don't have boobs.
Oh, I look like a little boy. I look like a 12-year-old.
It looks very cute. Because sometimes I feel like it's like so delicate, and nice, and then I'm like
I like it.
a band or something. Wait. Oh wait, no, we have to go back to my house though.
Okay, so this is the big part. This is everything we have found.
I know, look.
And now we have to look through it.
Oh no, this has a bleach stain on it. Oh well.
I think that's, hey, it adds to it. Do bleach flannels, they're kind of cool.
I think it adds to the look.
Show us what you found.
Helen found this for me. It's a big shirt. Flannel like shirt. It's a nice color.
It's a new style.
I have a couple big shirts and I, it's added to my collection.
Wait, I'm gonna wear mine too.
Alter it.
Yeah.
Try it. Something like that.
I got a tripod. A tripod.
Oh my god. The bag.
Wait, if I...
There you go.
See, I picked all of these.
That's cute.
Big shirts. Big shirts. Okay.
And it feels like really nice.
What else did we find?
A lot. Sam, Melanie, mine.
Okay.
This is Sam.
Action.
Melanie, this is yours.
Oh yeah, Ponce. We can't try anything on, so we're kind of just
We're just gonna wing it.
going for it. Ooh, whose is this?
What's mine?
That's fun.
Wait, it's like the
Oh,
girls.
the little, yeah.
We're stuck. There's so much stuff. I don't know if I want it.
Would it fit? I feel like it would fit, but this might, I don't know if it would cut you off.
Really high. Try putting it on.
Yeah, put it on.
Put it on?
Yeah.
Are you kidding? Wait, don't record me putting it on.
I like it all together. This looks like something I'd wear in like 4th grade. If this part went down further, but I feel like if you crop it there, it's literally a bra.
Yeah, like a bra.
It'd be like a little peplum. This is funny.
No, for me, stop.
Oh, we're getting boxers. I don't know if that's gross, but
We wash them.
of course
Don't
we
worry
wash
about
them. Yeah. Oh, Helen found these cute shoes. Look, I hope you get this. I like this.
This one has on it.
Is it new?
I don't know.
I think it is. Yeah.
Genuine leather. It's very unique. I like it a
That's
lot.
neat.
I'm gonna hang all my stuff up here.
I'm gonna get some ties and I'm gonna use them as headbands. Hopefully that's the plan.
Those here. Yes. I think I'll get that. Very sure.
I like it.
Me too.
I like the color too. I really like this.
Me too.
I think you look really cute with
It's
it.
like the first thing
Yeah.
I was like, I can't find anything good.
Yeah.
And then I picked it
Yeah,
up.
I hate it when you start a thrift and then it's like
No,
you can't find anything.
This is what happened when I picked this
Oh,
one.
thanks. I have this bathrobe that I really want to get. Oh, and then we have books. Forgot about
Our
that.
book club.
Yeah. Picnic and read.
I'll read like a chapter of our book.
Okay.
Out loud.
Sam's book is so cute. Like, have you read the...
It's so pretty. It's
Aw.
about love and beauty.
That's
the-
so
like,
beautiful.
How
Action.
many loved your moments of glad grace and loved your beauty with love false or true? But one man loved the pilgrim soul in you and loved the sorrows of your changing face.
That's so cute.
So I feel like it's about like aging, but
Yeah.
like living in love.
Yeah.
One day your face
And she is in love. Aww. Hey. Hey. Well, basically, we're going through all of this. We'll show you a haul later. Success.
Got it.
Fabulous.
Okay, we just finished we just finished thrifting. We're gonna Trader Joe's and we're gonna have a cute little picnic. We're listening to some main character music by Sam. Thank you guys for coming thrifting with us. It was very fun. Bye. Bye. Hey guys, I apologize for this not super fancy setup, but I got home from thrifting. Actually, I got home a couple days ago. Obviously, it's a couple days later, but I wanted to show you guys what I got when I went thrifting because we forgot to film a little like actual haul, but I got my little bag of goodies. First off, I got a book. I don't know where it is currently. I tried to read it, kind of fell asleep, not gonna lie, but I'm gonna get through it. I swear, I have to. It's a history book, so yeah. I don't know, I thought it would be, I thought it would be interesting. Hopefully I actually read it. And I got my only accessory. I got this Coach bag. My friends were really encouraging me to get it. I was kind of hesitant on it. I don't know. It's a little different from what I usually use. I've been trying to find more unique things because I've realized that everything I get is very basic and they're kind of like the same pieces, graphic tees, basic tops, because I know I'll wear them and I do, but I want some more like stylish, unique pieces. I've been looking for like a mini purse and I thought this would be a good beginner one. It has a lot of cool like gold detailing buckles and it's also a really good size. So I'm very excited for this. It was a little bit pricey, but it is Coach, so it was like $15. It wasn't like expensive, but for the thrift store, it's not amazing. Then the rest of the items I believe are clothing pieces. For starters, I got this tie. I saw, I don't know, some kind of video or something, probably on TikTok, not gonna lie, where they used a tie as like a headband, so I figured I would just like use it and tie it in the back, or I might actually sew it somehow. I don't know what this pattern is called, but it's cool. For the clothing items, I got this pair of boxers. I don't know if that's nasty. Of course I'm gonna wash them, but they remind me of like those Brandy shorts that they're selling, and they're only $1.50. I'm gonna not hold that because, you know, don't know where that's been, but I didn't want to pay like $15-20 whatever they sell them for at Brandy, because I'm pretty sure they thrift them anyways. I also got these pants. They're just flowy dark green. They might even be scrubs, I have no clue, but they have pockets. They're flowy, and I don't know what this material is called at all, but it's pretty thick, durable feeling. I have no clue how to wear these. I feel like they would look good with just some platform sneakers even, and then some cool like chains and stuff. Yeah, I tried them on over my poofy denim shorts, so hopefully they fit in person, because the dressing rooms and stuff were all closed, but you know, that's fine. And those were only like $3. And then I got 2 button-up shirts. This one is a short sleeve, and I'm not sure if I'm gonna crop it yet or not. It's actually from Uniqlo, which I know their stuff is really good quality. It was like $5-ish. I'm not sure if I should crop it or not, but my thought for wearing this is either just as like a little throw over a tank top or something like that, if it's like hot-ish out, or if it's like hot but then I don't want to be just like wandering around in a tank top or something like that. So kind of like a tiny cover up, or I could like tie it, or I could wear it over like a turtleneck or a hoodie or something like that in the winter. But yeah, I really like this. It's like a nice baby pink, but it's pretty soft and subtle. And I also got this button up, which is purple. I don't have very much colored stuff in my closet, if you saw my closet clean out, and I'm trying to, you know, branch out a little bit. We're all talking about like this painter look and like oversized stuff, so I think this will look very, very good as a cover up in the summer or in the winter. Even with baggy jeans, you can wear this and like tie it up, and it still looks very, very nice. So I really, really am excited to wear those. The last thing I got are these earrings, and I just thought they were really adorable. They're like the wire flowers, and I've been really into accessorizing more. I've been kind of bad at it in the past because I always forget, get lazy to accessorize, but it really makes or breaks an outfit. I've been in love with like statement earrings, so I got these for like $3. Of course, I need to go clean them real well, but I thought this would look really good, especially if your hair is up like and out of your face, and then it's like the statement piece. Those were all the items I picked up from this thrift sesh day. I don't know. Trust me, I will be going thrifting again very soon. Thank you guys so much for watching this video and coming thrifting with me. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you want to see more thrifting videos on how I style these pieces, make sure to let me know. Check me out on my socials to keep in touch, because I'm very active on there. Love chatting with you guys on there, and if you want to see outfits, I post them regularly on my Instagram. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys!
I know it's getting late now, baby.